She's been sitting here for years, burned and forgotten. Today, I'm finally going to bring her back to life.
Take this and do whatever it takes. I just want to see her looking brand new again.
Burned and forgotten, Lightning McQueen sits silent, his once bright red buried in ash and dust. Gentle brushing lifts heavy soot from the car, slowly revealing blistered paint and orangish rust. Slowly towed from its grave, the car leaves a trail of rust, ash, and memories. Inside the workshop, the burned car arrives at last, every panel waiting for careful rebirth. Soft strokes of the broom free the roof and hood, exposing cracked paint and tired metal. Bursts of compressed air chase dust and charred debris from hidden seams beneath the car. A thick blanket of foam settles over the body, soaking scorch marks and greasy grime. Slow, circular brushing massages foam into every contour, pulling blackened dirt from tiny panel gaps. Sheets of water cascade down, rinsing away foam and loose paint to reveal scarred, cleaner metal. Strong degreaser melts soot and oil in the engine bay, uncovering hidden casting marks and bare metal. Vacuum and brush quietly collect ash from the cabin floor, exposing melted plastics and bare steel. Lifted into the air, the car sheds its burnt wheels, revealing a rusted, neglected underside. Charred bumpers and warped trim come off one by one, leaving behind a stripped skeletal shell. Every removed part lies organized on tables, each burn mark and crack waiting for repair. A spinning wire wheel bites into rust, throwing dust as clean, bright metal appears underneath. Across the scorched roof, the grinder erases blistered paint, replacing rough black patches with smooth steel. Careful sanding levels the door skin, blending old paint and bare metal into a satin surface. Rust converter darkens bright orange corrosion along seams, turning fragile spots into a stable foundation. A bright welding arc stitches fresh patches into place, sealing rust holes with clean, even beads. The grinder smooths each weld flat, transforming rough seams into flowing curves that match the body. Old suspension parts drop away, replaced by crisp new arms and bushings that restore strength underneath. New hoses, wiring, and polished hardware slip into the engine bay, bringing order back under the hood. Fresh masking paper hugs windows and edges, leaving only smooth bodywork exposed for the next stage. A fine gray mist of primer settles evenly, unifying bare metal and filler into one matte surface. Rich red paint flows over the panels, burying the gray and restoring Lightning McQueen's signature color. High gloss, clear drapes over the red deepening reflections and sealing the fresh paint beneath glassy shine. In still air, the clear coat cures and hardens, locking a flawless gloss across every curve. Ultra-fine wet sanding gently knocks down tiny texture, leaving a soft haze ready for final polishing. A soft polisher glides over the clear, transforming dull haze into a deep, mirror-like reflection. Bright new decals and the bold 95 return to the doors, restoring McQueen's racing identity. New wheels are polished to a brilliant shine, their deep black tires looking fresh and ready. Each pristine wheel slides onto its hub and tightens down, completing a strong, confident stance. Clean seats, belts, and panels slip back inside, turning a burned interior into a tidy cockpit. The engine fires smoothly, belts and pulleys spinning cleanly as heat shimmers gently above the bay. A final microfiber wipe removes every speck of dust, leaving uninterrupted gloss from nose to spoiler. Under soft studio lights, The restored car stands proudly, every curve and decal reflecting the work done. Rolling slowly forward, McQueen's polished body and smooth wheels cast long reflections across the floor. Once burned and abandoned, Lightning McQueen now shines flawless, his full transformation finally complete.